everyone, my name is Okwandia and I'm the sales engineer at ElectroNeek. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to execute a macro using ElectroNeek Studio Pro. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. The first thing that we want to do is click on Learn More on the Knowledge Base. This will take us to the ElectroNeek Help Center for the Executed Macro article. In this article, it'll give you a description of how to set up a macro and also tell you what settings need to be enabled within Microsoft Office Excel in order for this process to work correctly. So let's go ahead and start setting up our options here and then run our macro. Alright, so inside of Excel, you want to ensure that some of the features and functionalities that you need for this process are enabled. So inside of your options, we're going to go into Customize a ribbon, and you're going to want to ensure that the developer ribbon is checked. This will ensure that you're able to see that developer tab at the top, which is where your macros will be stored or recorded. Once you have that enabled, you're then going to go into the Trust Center and Trust Center settings, and you're going to go to macro settings, which we see here, and enable VBA macros. You're also going to go through and check these boxes for enabling Excel 4.0 macros when VBA macros are enabled, and also for trust access to the VBA project object model, and then select OK. Now you should be able to execute your macro as needed using ElectroNeek Studio Pro. So in this workflow, you're going to want to go into Microsoft Office. Inside of the Excel tools, you'll see Execute Macro. You'll have to pick the path to the file. So here, this will indicate you to choose your macro file. This will be your XLSM file. Or sorry, your XLSX file. And for your macro file path, you'll choose your VBS file. Now, if you have your sub or function name, then you would insert that into this field. And also, if there are any arguments that need to be called, you're able to either save the previous step result or you're able to calculate a value. Let's use some arguments. I'm just going to put 37 and 5. Okay. And for our next activity, you're going to want to go ahead and pull out a assign value to variable. So I'll go ahead and assign this value to variable. I'm just going to name that X, and we're going to save the previous step result. And then we'll run our workflow, and we should get a bot executed successfully in the console log. All right, and we can see here that bot finished successfully in 4 seconds. So we were able to execute that macro. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy automation from ElectroNeek.